inspires me. I'm sorry, there's no couple. Everyone has their issues, and because if you're so close to them, you know the things they're fighting on, and you're just sitting there and laughing. Because I've been single since 3 years, so I think the only good couple I see is me and me. There's no one. So I'm sorry. I'm not happy seeing couples because everyone is in a relationship and I'm just too single. I'm sorry. I'm not happy with others' happiness in that. Amitabh ji in India, Dilip Kumar ji, and otherwise the one I love, Tom Hardy. My favorite co-stars are Imran Hashmi and Ajay Devgan, even Akshay Kumar. But Akshay Kumar comes little like he scares me a bit. Though he's a lot of fun, but I don't know, I get really scared. Like I till now look at him and I'm like, Akshay sir. But I think it's because he's very disciplined. He gives you a feel like an army and air force person will. Ajay Devgan just seems intimidating, but he's not. He's really funny. He plays pranks on everyone, like literally everyone. I got saved. He tried scaring me when we were shooting in Badshah, during Badshah and Rajasthan. He tried scaring me, saying, you know, wherever we are staying, every day he'll build up a new story of ghosts and haunted places. Nothing scared me, like literally nothing scared me. All I told them, I like, you know what, marna hoga to mar jaungi. And then he realized nothing is gonna happen to this girl. Imran, because well, my first film was with Imran, my second film was with Imran. Then we did a music video, then we did the song, and then we shot a lot together. And it's just me and I, we have a great rapport. And there's that love that I have towards him because as my first co-star, he's just been so supportive that, you know, he's literally seen my graph from first film till now, Badshah. So in Jannat, there's this scene, actually a lot of them, but there's this scene in Jannat where Imran and I are talking, we were dancing at a wedding, and Imran just comes and I'm just smiling at him and he just suddenly comes and kisses me. And I've moved back and I slap him and he slaps me back. I think that was my favorite, and because, you know, they've shown him like a rowdy, sadaka guy, but not disrespectful to women, but just that's all he knows. It was his instant reaction and he just goes like, movie dikhai, samosa khaya, chai pi, uske baad to kiska hi time aata hai. And I thought it was I'll actually laugh, and he slapped me back because, you know, he just went like this. And I looked at him and I started laughing. It took us 2-3 takes because every time he slapped me, like, so it doesn't hit me, you know, it'll go so smoothly and I'll just start laughing. I thought that was really funny. So we were shooting on a ship, like an old ship, which is the transport ship. So we were all shooting, and Vidyut and I, we kept deciding that, listen, we're going to jump, and even others like, yeah. And then eventually, by the time we finished, so none of us had our clothes on. But for boys, it's easy. They have their boxers, they take their shirt off their pants, and I'm just like, okay. And then we realized it's evening, and then the fishes at the starfish and all that started coming out. Then everyone started scaring us that the brown one or the white one, I'm confused. One of them, if they stick and they're dangerous, the other one doesn't. But what happened is, I remember Adha backed out, and I was just like, you know, then it came on the girl ego side of mine. So because everyone's like, ladkiyan, you know, they just do it, and I was just like, wait and watch. I have literally like slowly, and I remember at that time my PA she had tears in her eyes. She like, ma'am, don't jump, because it was as high as 4 stories into the sea, and while our ship was moving, and my PA at that time, Munmun, I remember, she kept begging me. She's like, ma'am, please don't. And I looked at her like, listen, like, I'm so used to it. She's like, ma'am, don't do it. And while she's saying, you'll see me, I'm removing my jewelry. I'm like, yeah, I'm removing my hair extensions, you know, which we put. I'm removing my ring. And I'm like, yeah. Next thing, you know, I've taken my shoes off. And in the outfit, I have jumped at Patach. Everyone's just looking what happened. But luckily, I had 2 good... you know, the action guys with me, because I was like, guys, I've jumped, but I've never jumped like with a moving ship, so I don't know, am I going to go underwater? They're like, no, you're just going to go push ahead. And while everyone's talking, I see like I've jumped, and Vidyut came, even he jumped, and but he was just so happy, and he's like, I can't believe you did it. I like, yeah, like it came on my ego as a woman that everyone's backing out, I had to do it. So that was a great memory, but I even realized don't do everything out of ego. I love all my shoots. Because, you know, I started as a model after Miss India. So I think every photographer shoots me really well, and we have this connection. So I literally enjoy all my photo shoots. Apart from Game of Thrones, wow, I don't have a favorite. There's so many actually. Black Mirror, that's too smart. It's too smart because I really believe that technology is going to take over our life, where we won't know what's going to happen next. I really believe in that. But the thing is, I really believe in something beyond Earth, beyond this planet. I feel that we are the most backward community that there is, and I think that there are a lot of them. So even something like 100, I really like because I believe in extraterrestrial people. My most favorite book right now, I just read, it was the Clifton series. It's in 3-4 parts. It's really nice. It's murder mystery, so of course it's one of my favorites. Smriti Irani. Woman, any woman. No men, I'm sorry. Or actually, I'm really impressed by Kanye West's tweets. And I think if I was in America, I would have totally voted for him. I'm really joking. My favorite horror movie, I don't really get scared, but I remember when I was young, like a baby, my dad, I don't know why, I think he didn't love me enough, he let me watch Raat. That was really scary. That was really scary. Like I cried, I think, during that movie. Steve Jobs, you can start it from the garage and be on drugs and reach where you are. It'll be very wrong to say that I'm foodie, but I guess Chinese or Italian because half the things I'm allergic to. Leh Ladakh, my dad was in the Air Force, so we drove and he took us there, and that was really nice. So I think it's the most beautiful, the most serene, and you know what, for all of you, trust me, there's so much in India to discover. Just do a road trip to Leh Ladakh, you will thank me for that. So I have this penthouse, so as big as so the moment you enter, and then there's the couch and I get the whole sea view. So I just go have my tea or my green tea or whatever and just sit there and just enjoy the peace because I know I've worked all day and then it's time to relax. There are a lot of brands which have like really cool stuff, but I'm more of a high street than designer label. I don't like spending on clothes. I rather spend on my watches and my shoes and my accessories. I like to spend more because they are more usable. But clothes, I think wear them twice, thrice, 4 times and give it to your sister basically. Wonder Woman, why? Come on, naam mein Wonder Woman. I mean, a woman is anyways much better than men. And then uske aage bhi wonder, like anyways you say beautiful, wonderful, and then Wonder Woman. How much, like what reason do you want me to say that why Wonder Woman? And she's really hot. But forget hot, but Wonder Woman, I think basically all women are wonderful, and that's why Wonder Woman. Like I said before, my dad was in the Air Force, so I thought Dehradun was my most favorite because it wasn't a city then. It's more discreet, there are no cars, it's more greenery around, it goes silent at night. I mean now, when you're young, you thought it was a little boring, but then TV was there. But now as an old you get, and you get your phone calls every time you want 5 days off. I wish like right now also my dad was still in the Air Force, and right now I wish I was posted there. So 5 days of no phone calls and no internet, but now everyone it is. I had Baileys 2 nights before, but it's really fattening, but I think vodka. So the thing is with me, everything I eat or drink is all related to the calories it has. So vodka also I have either Grey Goose or Beluga because I just endorsed the brand, but anyways, I didn't. But because they're made out of rice and not potato, and you have it with water and lemon, and it tastes really bad to some people, but it's least calories. My favorite color, so white and green have always been my favorite, but of recently I've started liking pink because of Pink Villa. So I've revealed all my secrets, and I really hope that you all get to know